Come here. Look, the driver downstairs stopped 5 times and still didn't park in the parking space. It's so ridiculous. Stop bloating. Hey, lady. Do you need help? Yes, much needed. Let me tell you a way. Even a novice can enter the parking space smoothly. Can I do it? Trust me, you can do it. You take the car out first. Okay. First, drive parallel to the parking space line. When the rear view mirror aligns with the corner of the target parking space, stop. Turn the steering wheel full to the left. Keep driving forward. When the corner of the target parking space can be seen in the right rear view mirror, stop. Turn the steering wheel full to the right. Shift into reverse gear. Reverse the car. When the car body and the garage line are parallel, return the steering wheel to the forward position. The car can enter the parking space smoothly. Have you learned it? I have learned it. How to thank you? It's okay. Just subscribe for car tips.